Let's see how to create an intro video using your own logo. First, go to Templates and find the Intros and Logos section, then click YouTube Intros. As you can see, there's a lot of choices you can use. Take your time to find a template that is a really good fit for your logo. Once you find it, just click it, then click the Create Now button. Now, upload your own logo that you want to use. Then, don't forget to click the Fit button. Also, you can put your tagline here. For example, we put, Unleash Your Potential. Next one, we can pick the fonts that we want to use. We can click the Generate button if we want to see the preview of the fonts. Next is the music part. In this template, we just check the Include Template Sound Effect, and this is where we can export and select the quality that we want. In our case, we just click the Fast Preview since this is only an example. After rendering, we can see the preview of the video that we created. Lastly, just click the Download button to save it to your device.